far-right thuggery we've seen this weekend, be in no doubt those that have participated in this violence will face the full force of the law. The police will be making arrests, individuals will be held on remand, charges will follow, and convictions will follow.
I feel threatened, scared to come out of my house because Muslim people, we're not terrorists. That's how I feel like. I feel like we're being threatened, it's not safe. What we do as Muslims, we just pray 5 times a day. You know, we're not terrorists. That's against our religion.
It was really important to show the people of Springbank, our Black and Asian community, that, you know, if people are going to bring 200 people out to incite hate, we're going to bring 20,000 out to incite good.